Let's talk about biodiversity in Namibia. What is biodiversity? Why is it important? What can you do to keep the balance between ecosystems? First, let's define biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of all living things and how they interact with each other in the places they live. Biodiversity includes all plants, animals, and microorganisms. Let's look at a place more familiar to you, a schoolyard. In your schoolyard, you might find trees, insects, teachers, learners, bushes, and other species. What would your schoolyard look like without your teachers or classmates? Wouldn't it be lonely? How would your schoolyard look without trees? Would there be any shade? All of these species are related to each other and rely on each other. Trees protect you from the sun, and teachers and classmates help you to learn and make friends. Even the small spider in the corner of the room contributes to the balance in your schoolyard. There are three main types of biodiversity: genetic, species, and ecological. These three types of biodiversity help keep individuals, species, and biospheres in balance. Genetic biodiversity ensures that diversity within a species is present. Think of the citizens of Namibia. Everyone is different. If there was no genetic biodiversity, everybody would look the same. Species diversity is a variety of living things in an area. When there are more kinds of different species in an area, the species diversity is higher. Low species diversity means there are only a few species in an area. Namibia also has many endemic species among their species diversity. Endemic means that a species is only found in one specific area. For example, the Nara plant, which is only found in the Namib Desert. If they are not managed, they could become extinct and will be gone forever. Think of the Etosha National Park. There are trees, bushes, elephants, lions, hyenas, spiders, mosquitoes, kudus, wildebeest, and springbok, which make for a more diverse ecosystem. Ecological diversity is a variety of different processes, habitats, and natures that exist within a biome or even biosphere. Think of yourself. You are an individual, add your family, and you become a population. Add your classmates and their families, and you are now a community. Put everyone into their surroundings, and you are now part of an ecosystem. Add your ecosystem to all the surrounding ones, and you get a biome. Add all the biomes together, and you are now part of a biosphere. There are four main biomes in Namibia: the savanna, the karoo, the succulent karoo, and the desert. Within these four biomes, there are subdivisions that contain different types of vegetation. All these biomes are pieces of Namibia that make up life zones with similar climates and landscapes that are defined by the dominant plants of the communities. But with all these biospheres, biomes, ecosystems, communities, and populations, why would you as an individual care about biodiversity? Well, loss of biodiversity could mean disaster for Namibia. Water, food, materials, and medicine could all disappear. Biodiversity can be lost in a number of ways. We could not treat our land with respect, waste the water, and overharvest natural resources like cutting down all the trees. We could hunt too many animals, overpopulate cities and villages, and alien species could invade the land because of poor management. Without biodiversity, there couldn't be food to eat, water to drink, or medicine to cure illnesses. All of those materials ensure our survival. There is a large economic importance on the natural products that sustain global trade. Additionally, part of our economy relies on Namibia's biodiversity for tourism activities that involve the environment. Activities like safaris bring jobs and money to the people of Namibia. If we lose our biodiversity, we could lose tourism business and the economy will suffer. There are so many simple and easy things we can do to protect Namibia's biodiversity. The best thing we can do is to share what you have learned so others may help as well. We should support and promote our government's plans to maintain biodiversity preservation. We can help control weeds or alien species in our own community. We can all help support Namibia's biodiversity in many ways. We need your help to spread awareness and knowledge of Namibia's biodiversity to keep it alive. Together we can preserve Namibia's biodiversity.